Is AI taking my job? This seems to be the question that's on everyone's mind, right? And a lot of people in a lot of professions are wondering if AI is going to replace them. And if it does replace them, then where are they going to be? So I just thought that I would kind of test out the theory with the different functions that I do as an accountant professional to see what the differences are and what's the benefits, what's the disadvantages of using AI through my daily features that I would do in QuickBooks. I mean, AI is here to stay. So I look at it as it's just like your competitor. Like if you're in a business, right? And you want to know what your competitor is doing, what type of trends they're doing, what's working in their business, then you would just research. So I look at it as that. We can kind of look and see what are the differences and how, it pertains to someone implementing it in their company or versus just having employees. I mean, bottom line wise, it is much cheaper to have everything automated by machines because you don't have to worry about hiring employees and having to deal with, sick time and being laid off and things like that. The bottom line for most companies seems to be better for them because they can get more productivity out of a 24-hour day than they would a regular employee who works maybe 8 hours. So I just thought that I would test out these features between me versus AI. So it should be fun. I have an invoice here that was just like a sample invoice. And what I'm going to do in QuickBooks is that I'm going to create this invoice into QuickBooks, doing it the manual way. And then I'm going to also use AI to create this same invoice, same vendor, same items, same amount, and then see which one takes the longest, if there is any errors, if there is like a big difference in the time. So the first thing that you would do if you were creating an invoice, you would open up your QuickBooks and then you would go to the Create button up top, and then you would select Invoice under the customers, right? So we select Invoice. And then after you select that, it will bring you to the screen where you would manually have to put in this information that's on the sample invoice that we have here. So the invoice is for Craig's Landscaping. That's our company. We're going to add the vendor in because it's not here. We're going to add the vendor, which is no name vendor. I'm trying to be as fast as I can so I can beat the AI. Address is 123 No Name Way. And if you type faster, maybe you can beat the AI. No Name is the city. It's California. And then it is 87999. And we save it. Okay. And then product and service, we have repair, and maintenance. And the invoice says one at $150, right? And that's the price. And to keep everything simple, we're not going to have any tax on the invoice. So the next one we have is a pump. They want 2 pumps. We're going to do the quantity for 2 and it's at $15. Oh, it saved it. And this is not going to be any tax. And then we want the soil. They want 2 bags of soil at $10. Right. So our invoice is going to be $200. Like I said, we're going to keep it simple. There isn't any taxes. Before we click save, we want the date to be May 7th. And then the net terms, we want net 15, which it will automatically push it out 15 more days than the invoice date. So we check everything. Okay. And we took a little time to do that. So we can save it. Okay, so I don't know how much time that took, but now we're going to go to the AI to create the invoice, which I'm a little nervous because it probably is going to be much faster than what I did. But let's see. So now we're going to go to the Intuit Intelligence. We're going to tell it to create a invoice for no name vendor with the items of repair and maintenance, $150, 2 pumps at $15, and two bags of soil for at $10, right? With a no tax and net terms of 15 with a invoice date of May 7th, 2026. Okay, and let's see. Probably breathe pretty fast. I think I gave everything that was on the invoice. So it's checking to see if no name needs to be created. If it doesn't need to be created because we created it. And it's checking now to see the different items and what the net payment terms are, which is, we said it was 15, and it says no name vendor exists. It says, okay, and here's your invoice. Now, I can tell you that based on what I just did, right? The AI, the information that you put in AI is only as good as the information that you give it, because yes, you can tailor make it to create reoccurring invoices for that vendor, but it does make mistakes. And I just did this on the fly, because my invoice that I created, it had no tax. I specified up at the top, if you see, create an invoice for no name vendor with the items of repair and maintenance at $150, 2 pumps at $15, and 2 bags of soil for $10 with no tax and net terms of 15 days with an invoice date of May 7th, 2026. So it did all its researching. It created the invoice. It gave it an invoice number, which is 1040. I can change that back later if I wanted to. But I just wanted to show you that you can't really rely on AI to do everything. You have to check it and make sure, because like I said before, the invoice that I wanted to create, I didn't want any taxes to be implemented on that invoice. But the AI created an invoice that has taxes of 8% at $4, which is not really what I wanted. So I just wanted to do this little demo because I wanted to show you that yes, AI is here to stay, and everybody's like, oh, it's going to replace me. But until that happens, you still have to really look and see what it is that it's doing. You can put the information in, or maybe I made a mistake, but I don't think I did, because I did it manually and then I told it what I wanted it to do. So I guess that's reassuring that I don't know if it's taking my job or not, but you do have to go in and review and make sure that the AI is doing exactly what it is that you want. So AI is good with automation and maybe even to speed things along so you don't have to do those mundane tasks. But I think you still have to spend a little bit of time to go back and review it, because it's easy. It created the invoice already. All I have to do is just check these off, the tax, and it will produce the invoice that I want it to. But if you're not looking and you just decide, okay, you want the AI to send your invoice, then you still have to look and make sure that it's doing what it needed to do. Now they have agents that can automate and do these things for you. I just wanted to look and see what would be faster with this type of feature. The AI is still here to automate the different mundane tasks that you may not want to do. So, I mean, this was fun. But if this video has helped you, please like and subscribe, hit the notification button. And as always, you keep an incredible service simple with Steph. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.